Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix notifications not showing when screen is off on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to notifications. From here, just tap on app notifications. Now just enable the toggle for the apps which you want to receive notifications from. Just like that. Now once you do that, just go back and tap on lock screen notifications. From here, just make sure you enable lock screen notifications. After that, just go back and tap on do not disturb. From here, just make sure you disable do not disturb mode. After that, just go back and tap on battery. Now, if power saving is enabled on your smartphone, just disable power saving. Then tap on background usage limits. And if there are any apps in the sleeping or deep sleeping apps section, just remove them from this section. Just like that. Now just select the apps in the sleeping or deep sleeping section and tap on remove. Then go to your home screen and restart your smartphone. To do that, just swipe down from the top of the screen and open the control center. Then tap on the power icon and select restart. Now, if this did not fix your issue, just take your smartphone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix notifications not showing when screen is off on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.